Windows desktop takes a long time to boot up. A Windows desktop that takes a long time to boot up is usually caused by a combination of hardware and software issues. Here are the most common factors and fixes. 1. External devices issues. External devices can sometimes cause slow boot times. Here's how they might be contributing to the issue. 1. Faulty or corrupt devices. If an external device like a USB drive, external hard drive, or even a keyboard/mouse is malfunctioning, it can slow down the boot process. Try disconnecting all external devices and then boot your computer. If it boots up faster, reconnect them one by one to identify the problematic device. 2. Boot order. The BIOS/UEFI might be set to check external drives for bootable media before checking the internal drive. This can cause delays if multiple devices are connected. Go to BIOS setting and configure the BIOS/UEFI settings and make sure the primary boot device is set to your internal drive. 3. Compatibility issues. Some external devices might have compatibility issues with the operating system or drivers, leading to longer boot times. Open Device Manager. Locate and right-click on hardware components and select Update Driver. It's particularly important to update your graphics card, storage, and motherboard drivers. 2. Windows update issues. Unfinished updates or errors during updates can cause delays. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and ensure that all updates have been installed. Sometimes, an update reset can help, which can be done via command prompt with the command shell. Copy code. netstop wazrv. netstop bits. netstop crYPTSVC. rens c:\windows \soft_tware distribution software distribution.old. netstart wazrv. netstart bits. netstart crYPTSVC. 3. Corrupted system files. System file corruption can cause various boot issues. To check and fix, open command prompt as an administrator and run shell. Copy code. sfc/scannow. This command will scan and repair corrupted system files. 4. Slow or failing hard drive. If you're using an HDD instead of an SSD, consider upgrading to an SSD for much faster boot times. If the HDD is old or failing, it might be worth testing it using a disk health tool, like Crystal Disk Info, to check for any errors or signs of failure. 5. Full or fragmented hard drive. If your system drive is nearly full or fragmented, it can significantly slow down boot times. Check disk space by opening Settings, System, Storage, and free up space if needed. If you're using an HDD, hard disk drive, run a disk defragmentation from Defragment and Optimize drives. 6. Too many startup programs. Excess startup programs can delay booting. To check and manage them, go to Task Manager, Startup tab, and disable unnecessary programs from launching at startup. 7. Fast Startup feature. Though fast startup is generally useful, it can cause issues on some systems. To toggle this feature, go to Control Panel Power Options, choose what the power button does, change settings that are currently unavailable, and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. 8. Malware or viruses. Malware can slow down boot times. Run a full scan with Windows Defender or a third-party antivirus tool to check for infections. 9. Insufficient RAM. If your computer doesn't have enough RAM, it might use your hard drive as virtual memory, which can slow down boot time. Consider upgrading your RAM if possible. 10. Crashed Windows OS. Consider reinstalling Windows OS by going to Settings, select Windows Update, click on Additional Options, click on Recovery, select Reset this PC. Then follow the instruction to reinstall the Windows.